good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
Hi, it's Ben here with Safe Drive Solutions, and today I'm here to talk about the benefits of a dash cam in the winter. When the weather outside is frightful, make sure you're well equipped to stay safe. Rain, snow, and sleet make the road slick and slippery each winter, and too many drivers lose control when their vehicle loses traction. Fortunately, installing a dash cam is one of the best ways to prepare for driving in inclement weather. It helps encourage safe driving, reduce insurance premiums, and provide supporting evidence in situations where you're at higher risk of getting into an accident or collision. This winter, make sure you have your own dash cam installed. Here are all the benefits you need to know. Winter weather creates dangerous situations. The winter months don't offer stress-free driving. You'll likely encounter all of the following. Black ice. A type of ice that is totally transparent and undetectable because it camouflages with the road. If you encounter black ice, you're in danger of sliding off the road or into other cars that have already collided. To avoid damage, don't brake hard and steer as smoothly as possible. Most of all, stay calm and be careful near areas where black ice is common. Often bridges and below overpasses. For me, driving around in my vehicle, even having winter tires, I've found a lot of the roads have been extremely slick. And even tonight, we're supposed to have freezing rain, so it'll be interesting traveling on the roads again tomorrow. But I found the winter tires have had like literally zero effect on helping drive in these conditions. So it's very important to have a dash camera, because if something is to happen, and it's not even so much of you getting into an accident, but maybe somebody hits you, and now you can have that video evidence to prove what really happened. Another thing is lack of visibility. Winter weather conditions can impair your vision behind the wheel. Do your best to keep your windshield defrosted and clear from winter road residue. Antifreeze window washer fluid is particularly helpful in clearing off any obstructed views. Your lights should also be kept clear as well, so everyone can see your headlights, brake lights, and turn signals. Also keep in mind that not everyone will do this for their own vehicle. And this is very true. When we had our big rainstorm about a month and a half ago, and I was driving on the one, there was a lot of people that didn't even have their taillights on. Never mind headlights on, right? So if you're driving in this low winter weather conditions and you already have very dirty lights, you're not going to see any of the other drivers on the road at all, and that's not good. Braking and accelerating. In winter conditions, braking and accelerating can create hazards on the road. Instead of braking hard on slippery surfaces, pump your brakes. This will help prevent your tires from locking, keep you in full control, and help prevent you from sliding off the road. Driving more slowly will also give you more time to react. The elements are not always kind during the winter time. Be prepared to modify your driving style with the confidence that your dash cam can catch any incidents that do occur for insurance purposes. You know, the other day I had to drive all the way from Mission to Chilliwack, and that highway was slick, and you're supposed to be able to go 100 kilometers an hour on it. I was lucky to even go 70 kilometers an hour, and it was literally black ice the whole way from Abbotsford to Chilliwack. And keep in mind, not everyone has winter tires. You know, while you may practice precaution, not everyone has winter tires when winter weather strikes. Winter tires have superior tread patterns that are designed to help better traction on ice and snow. They employ soft rubber compounds to enhance grip and outperform all-season tires. Unfortunately, you can't control everyone else on the road. You can't make sure they drive carefully or put winter tires on their car. However, you can make sure their actions are captured on camera if they do harm to you or your vehicle. This is where your dash cam comes into play. Your dash cam is set at the perfect angles to record should anything happen. Stay safe whether you're driving or parked. A professional installed dash cam never stops working for you. Your dash cam technician will make sure your dash cam is installed so you're covered whether your car is in motion or parked. This way, even if a car veers off the road and hits your car when you're not there, you have a record of what happened. If you're looking for a great dash cam for the winter, contact us at Safe Drive Solutions. We're here to give our recommendations of what we feel will work based on our experience.